time to go hike on Andy's Adventures. While Shannon grabs us some brewskis. So it's Tuesday, June 18th, and we're going to hike the Willis Gulch at Colorado. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Let's do this. Let's go. Our legs feeling good. We got a warm up yesterday.
Warmed up.
And last night. Hope Pass and Willis Lake.
Keep it. Stop taking my video.
I don't think any hike that I ever do is easy. It's always incline. But it's worth it for the views. I think we gotta go 5 miles today. Time for a little break.
Got some high quality H2O.
Water. I say we're about halfway up the mountain. I'm hoping. But that's break number 2. Time to go back. We're walking on the trail, and all of a sudden it was cut off by all these fallen trees here because of an avalanche. So our trail, we have to basically trek over all the snow and all the trees, and this is the only tree somewhat standing up. It even takes them out by the roots. That's how strong it is. It's crazy. Frig, I've seen like 15 avalanches up here. Oh. Colorado Avalanche! Now I know why they call Colorado's hockey team Colorado Avalanche.
Just having some lunch. This sandwich sucks, and I made it. Fun fact, did you know an avalanche can start by just the snap of a twig? I bet you didn't.
I snap twigs all day. That was the funnest fact ever. That's deep. Looks like it gets worse up top. So we're gonna have to turn around. We're finding a lot of the trails up here this early. They had a lot of snow. So it's hard to get to the top because they're all covered in snow still. So I think we're shit out of luck. But we had a nice hike today and we got to go across an avalanche. That's pretty cool. So might take a look over here. Kind of like a little waterfall and some nice stones. And we'll see what's up top. Maybe I'll take you there. Gotta say, crazy nice, super cool. Getting the steps in today. Oh my god, I think it's gonna snow right now. It was clear up there and all of a sudden, just white. It looks like it's coming this way. So probably should head down. Okay, go ahead.